couple beers and have a little light, and I'm good. I can make like this much fucking weight last all week.
Yep.
My name is Roy Frank.
Yeah, I'm not impressed.
We're just looking at new ways to get high.
Pardon?
We're looking at new ways to get high. And we figured a box that is big enough to fit a human being that you can close. Put him in there with one bowl and see how fucked up he is when he comes out. It was a good idea. Did it work? Yes. Look at myself. I just went in there. I was just in there for like 15 plus minutes. And then...
You weren't. You were in there for like 4 or 5 minutes.
Rory said I was in there for like 15 minutes.
I don't think
You're like 6 songs.
You walked away or something. I didn't hear you anymore, and then Rory was standing there riding a skateboard.
Rory, you've only been in there for like a couple minutes.
Edward, you're on film. That's going on the internet. And you sound like a bummer.
Oh, really?
Yes.
How about this?
I sound an asshole. Yep. Alex Bridge is fucking awkward. I'm a small, awkward kid.
He has no brain.
Hey!
You guys are stupid. When I was growing up, man, I never did shit like this.
When I was growing up, man, I never did shit like this. Fucking Edward. Did you hear what he just said?
No.
So when I was young and shit, I never did shit like this.
I heard that.
What?
I heard that.
Yeah. That was quite funny. I wonder what he did do, though, when he was younger.
Time for you for horses.
Man, you're right. I really can't hear anything you're saying. I can hear mumbling. What?
Your mom.
Your mom?